For those who aren't super familiar with Smiski blind boxes, Smiskis are, according to the Sunny Angel website, curious little creatures that love hiding in small spaces and corners of your room. These blind boxes come in different series and each have a set of 6, including one secret Smiski. However, not all series are available for purchase as they discontinued 3 series a few years back, but today I'll be unboxing these rare figures that I managed to get my hands on. Sadly, this haul will not include the secrets from these series, which are crazy expensive by the way. But besides that, let's get started. Although there are light marks on some Smiskis, all of them are legitimate and look even better in person. As someone who has all the regular Smiskis except for the latest birthday series, I'm so happy that I finally got to fill that series 2 to 4 gap. Now, the last authenticity check is to make sure they glow in the dark. Thankfully, all of them glow really well. If you're here just for the unboxing, thanks for watching up to this point. For those who are interested in how I clean my Smiskis and use them as decorations, just keep watching. While comparing my discontinued Smiski with my current ones, I noticed there was a big color difference. Perhaps they've changed the formula over the years. Anyways, I always clean my Smiskis using a Q-tip full of micellar water. I've tried using dish soap water, but I find micellar water to be the most effective. This method is what works for me personally, and if you ever want to replicate it, just make sure to do it at your own discretion. Also, if you're ever gonna wash your Smiskis fully, make sure to take the head off so that the whole thing can dry. I use this method to target the black spots that some Smiskis have. This worked really well for the spot under Daydream's mouth. I also always swipe away excess micellar water immediately. Unfortunately, some Smiski markings are just permanent whether you use micellar water or dish soap water. For example, if there's any dark green paint where it's not supposed to be, it's basically permanent. Let me know in the comments down below how you clean your Smiskis and if you have a better method to do so. Besides that, any light spots should be easily removable. Sometimes some dust gets in between the Smiski's eyes and mouth. To address that, I use a toothpick and lightly scoop it out. As usual, do this at your own discretion. Even though I'm aware that dark green paint is permanent, I still wanted to try. Unfortunately, that didn't work, but the rest of the figure is already clean. Instead of using your hand to wipe off the excess micellar water, you can even use a dry Q-tip. After cleaning this little guy, I put my vision into place. The last thing that I did for the day is swapping out my previous pushing Smiski. I made this crochet hat myself and it's supposed to be a grape. I plan to place my other Smiskis tomorrow. I ended up putting a crochet hat on the Smiski to protect its head and to keep the string in place. I'm taking extra precautions as the distance from the ground is pretty significant. This is his napping spot throughout the day. My Smiski collection started last year during my Asia trip. It started as 2 Smiskis, but now I have almost all of them. Now it's time for my discontinued ones to join them. I'm starting off with the childcare floor. This floor is protected by buffski. I decided to put all the similar Smiskis together. Of course, I had to display my favorite ones in a prime location. Similar to how I displayed these two, I placed pearl earring and kneeling together. The idea of putting this guy here was nice, but I'm not a risk taker. I ended up having him support my Rilakuma plushie. Now when I move my cable around, everything stays in place. I hope this video was entertaining and informational, whether you're trying to grow your own Smiski collection or you're just here for fun.